is up, YouTube? It's your boy 321 JMP coming at you with reaction. You feel me? Lil Diamond Boy, Lil Yachty. Let's check it out. So, yes, we got Lil Yachty, we got a Lil Boat, we got Cheeto Head, but let's see what we get. I'm super excited. Lil Yachty, he's been in the game since 2016 for me at least. Yeah, that's when he came in. And he has an inspirational come up, bro. I'll say this like every time I react to him. With that Minnesota song and with his circumstance in his life before he came up in music and before Minnesota blew up and shit. And one night blew up. Shit, he had an inspirational ass come up, bro. I'll say that every time. But Lil Yachty, let's see what we get. He's grown so much since then. He's had a lot of shit happen to him. He's had a lot of growth happen. So let's see what we get. This is officially Lil Boat 3.5, and I've seen that it's basically just 8 new songs. So let's see what we get, man. We're gonna check it out.
How much you pay for that diamond, boy?
Oh, I like this beat intro, man, and damn, he's just going right in. Like, how much you pay, man?
Goddamn, boy, you blinded, boy. You little diamond, boy. You right there, little diamond, boy. You a little diamond, boy. You like that little diamond, boy. How much you pay right there, that diamond, boy? I'm a little diamond, boy. I be shining, boy.
This is giving me some Christmas vibes, some reindeer vibes, some flying vibes. Is that the vibes that I'm supposed to be getting?
How much that you pay that diamond, boy?
Hey.
You be shining, boy. They said you be shining, boy. Is it real?
Hey.
Are you real? Are you real? Is it real? How much you pay that diamond, boy?
Is this what I'm supposed to be doing when I listen to this shit? Like, what the fuck, bro? Like, I can't bounce to this. Am I supposed to be doing... Like, bro, what?
You shine, boy. Before said you shine, boy. 6 figures flat for your time, boy.
Okay.
Stars aligning, boy. Goddamn, you be grinding, boy.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Ballin' on them niggas, I feel like Zion, boy. What you buying, boy? I hope it's more diamonds, boy.
Hey.
Lit,
Hey.
fire, lit.
I guess he's just a unique artist, right? That's what he's going for, I think.
Lit, fire, lit. It's
Hey.
on fire. Are you ready to die for those diamonds?
Are you ready to die for the diamonds? I mean, shit. That's a real ass question because, damn, people will rob your ass for them diamonds, bro.
Yeah, die for those diamonds. Yeah, die for those diamonds. Go on. Yeah, go. Are you ready to die for those diamonds? Die for those diamonds.
I'm confused, guys. I'm real fucking confused.
The diamond boy, yeah, the diamond boy. You right there, the diamond boy. You the diamond boy. You like that, the diamond boy.
Oh, that part go hard though. I can't cap. You were blowing my ass, but that part go hard. That part go hard for sure.
How much you pay right there, that diamond boy? I'm a little diamond boy. I be shining, boy. How much that you pay that diamond boy?
Dude, I mean, the only good part about this song, in my opinion, is the part of the verses where he was making the references we see in the basketball joints, and the hook with the diamond boy, that part go hard. I fuck with that. I don't know though, man. The song was low-key kind of cringe. Am I just tripping? Like, I don't know, man.
You be shining, boy. They said you be shining, boy. Is it real? Are you real? Are you real? Is it real?
Now we got the cop sirens. Lil Yachty, Lil Diamond Boy, let me know what you thought down below. On the road, 2K, grind ain't stop me. Not today. I'm out.